Advanced PDR Training. Now, just like the title says, it is advanced. For somebody who's never had PDR training before, we recommend you going through our PDR course, whether it be a 40, 80, 120, or 200-hour course. Now, once you've completed our basic standard training and all of the curriculum that entails, we recommend you going home and practicing, working on real-world vehicles. When you return to us for our advanced PDR training, we're going to take you through larger, complex type dents. Dents that are on the verge of being oil canned, dents that should possibly be repaired in a body shop and collision center. We will teach you how to identify the larger complex dents, teach you how to repair and move trap pressure and how to identify where the existing trap pressure is. We will get into some very, very deep dents, very severe bodyline type dents. We will teach you to work using outdoor lighting and natural lighting. We teach you different types of tools and accessories that will aid in these advanced type repairs. Now, this isn't your basic standard PDR training. Coming through this training now, we expect that you've been a tech for several months and possibly even several weeks, depending on how well you did in the course. But we do expect you to have some sort of previous knowledge of paintless dent repair. When you come to us, you will be expected to show us what you can do. From that point, we're going to take you further through our curriculum. We recommend that you do come back and see us after you've went through the first portion of your PDR training. This advanced PDR course, like I said before, will take you through and help you get that much better as a PDR technician. Now, here at the Ding King, we offer tons and tons of services. Paintless dent repair is one of the biggest services that we offer. It's a very, very profitable service. Like with any system out there, this can be a standalone business by itself, and you can be very, very profitable at it. It does take time, it does take patience, and a lot of determination to become a great PDR technician. Now here at the Ding King, we always tell everybody, the more you learn, the more you earn.